Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to appeal on KuCoin P2P. First, identify if your P2P order has issues like non-payment or incorrect amounts. Before appealing, try to communicate directly with your counterparty through the chat. If no resolution is reached within a reasonable time frame, typically 15 minutes, then proceed to gather all relevant screenshots and transaction details as evidence. To start your appeal, navigate to your P2P orders and find the specific transaction in question. Once located, you will see an appeal button. Click this to initiate the process. A pop-up will appear asking for your reason. Select the most accurate option from the provided choices, such as I have paid, but the seller did not release crypto or the buyer did not pay. After selecting your appeal reason, you'll be prompted to upload evidence. This is crucial, so ensure you provide clear screenshots of your payment proof or chat logs. Maintain polite and clear communication with both the counterparty and KuCoin support throughout the process. Promptly respond to any questions or requests for additional information from the support team to expedite your case resolution. KuCoin's support team will thoroughly review all submitted evidence and communications to make a fair decision. The resolution time can vary, but typically they aim for a quick turnaround. If you haven't heard back within a day or two, don't hesitate to follow up on your ticket. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.